We are entering there, the Apravasiya Bharatiya Summit is going on. Here under one roof, the Apravasiya Bharatiya and the Bharatiya, they are strengthening their bonds all together and hope for the best. Let's see what's going to happen inside. This is me, Seher Kazi, reporting for UITV with camera person Ravi in Delhi. The second day of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas had started on a very good note. Here all the NRIs are present right now. Along with me, I'm having Mr. R.R. Bakshi in Vigyan Bhavan. Then what are the new agendas and plans which you are going to ask and which you are going to discuss with the government of India today?
Today, this is a very nice, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, and I have come from Dubai. And there is a lot of things in Dubai by the laws for the community and everything, which I wanted to discuss with the government here. And it is going on recession very much in Dubai, and Dubai people are shifting to India, and so a lot of people are anxious to invest money in India also.
Do you think there is any ray of hope for all these agendas which you are fixing with the government of India?
No, yesterday in the GoPio meeting, our foreign minister, we have discussed a lot of things, and I hope the whatever they are taking steps for the NRIs and PIOs, it is excellent and encouraging.
Definitely, maybe there will be the result for all the agendas set by the NRIs over here, who had done really great and immense work for their country, still after leaving India. And still they are thinking good for India, that's why they had planned a lot of agendas. So let's hope for the best and leave the rest on God. So the situation is this. Let's hope what's going to be settled inside the issue is yet to be discussed. We are having along with us Mr. Ankit Agarwal, who is the director of Alankit Group. Your group is dealing with what? With issue?
We are into a multiple foray of services, basically financial services, wealth management, e-governance, BPO is the latest edition, and healthcare. These are like the primary services that we offer under the umbrella. This is a broad categorization. Under that, we have some 16 to 17 services. And the services are primarily based on the Indian markets, and we're providing the e-governance services abroad, basically in London, Singapore, Muscat and Dubai. and large people have benefited from these services out there.
In question which I want to ask is like your Alankit group, how it is helping Indians over there in UAE.
With the Indians out there, they have a trusted name, as in the Indian origin. The Alankit is a predominantly 20-year-old company, so they have the trust associated with the group. We are providing them the e-governance services, wherein related to the PAN and other tax-related services wherever an Indian needs to transact, wherever he lives in the world, needs a PAN card for the same thing. For whatever he needs a bank account, he has something, or he has some property out here, whatever services or whatever income he has out here in India, he needs a PAN card for that. And we're doing a brisk business out there for the PAN cards out there. And we're also part of Dubai Gold and Commodity Exchanges, being rated as the #1 broker on that exchange on the basis of the turnover.
हमारे साथ इस वक्त बिमला चौधरी जी हैं जो कि अपना आयुष नाम से एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलाती हैं और लोगों की सेहत जो है सही करती हैं। मैम आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि अपना जो आप आयुष ये संस्था चला रही है कितने वर्षों से चला रही है?
ये हमारी